So, welcome to SakshiEducation.com. So, we are just discussing about the international current affairs of October 2nd half, that is October 16th to 31st of October 2018. So, here India elected to United Nations Human Rights Council with highest number of votes. So, in the UNO 193 countries are present, out of which 188 countries has voted that India to head the United Nations Human Rights Council. And UNHRC was established in 2006 with the headquarters Geneva of Switzerland, with the council president Vojislav Sus. And India is world's most depressed country according to World Health Organization. So, a report was being submitted as per the World Mental Health Day on 10th of October. So, according to which, India is most depressed nation. So, most of the persons are found depressed due to environmental factors, atmosphere, food habits, dietary habits, and also due to the changes in the social patterns of the society. So, next, India ranked 58th most competitive economy according to the World Economic Forum Index. So, the most competitive economy in the world is USA. India stands 58th nations out of 140 countries. And world's longest sea bridge between India and Hong Kong to open on October 24th. So, this is a very important news again. So, most of the world's largest, lengthiest, highest etc. will be in China definitely. So, of course, recently the highest statue in the world was being inaugurated in India. So, earlier it was the Buddhist statue in China, now it is the Statue of Unity, or the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So, therefore, now again China was number one in construction of longest sea bridge. So, world's longest sea bridge between China and Hong Kong to open on October 24th. So, the bridge is nearly 55 kilometers long. So, remember, it is a very longest bridge in the world, sea bridge in the world. Next, you know that Shanghai Cooperation Organization, it is an international organization which has 6+2 member countries where in 2017 India and Pakistan joined Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So, now 7th meeting of educational ministers of Shanghai Cooperation Organization members was held in Kazakhstan. India also took part. Dr. Satyapal Singh, Minister of State for Human Resources, has taken part following of educational ministers meeting of SCO, which was held on October 17th at Astana of Kazakhstan. Next, the first trilateral exercise between India, USA and Japan. It is a trilateral format to be held in December 2018. It is being announced in October 2018 by the government of India. And finally, Pakistan-Russia joint training exercise was held in Pakistan. The third edition of joint bilateral military training exercise between Pakistan and Russia, which is known as Drushba 3. So, 3 stands for third edition of joint military exercise. So, therefore, Drushba 3 was held in Pakistan on 22nd of October to 4th of November 2018. So, apart from this, other important international affairs we see is India, Iran, Afghanistan to hold first trilateral meeting on Chabahar Port project. So, we know that Chabahar Port is constructed by India, which is in Iran with Indian technology and Indian money. So, it is also organized by India as well as along with Iran. So, even Afghanistan is benefiting following through this Chabahar Port, where India has sent some tons of wheat to the food grains to Afghanistan through this Chabahar Port. So, therefore, the first meeting, trilateral meeting between these three nations, India, Iran and Afghanistan was taken place in Tehran of Iran. So, the second meeting was to be held in India in the year 2019. So, these are the very important international affairs